with version 7 open. Over on the left, I have all of my patterns. You can see there's 1,383 patterns here. What I want is an edge-to-edge pattern. So I'll just put in E2E and let it come up with something that I think, I might like. I'll gather this one. What I do is hold down the left mouse key, bring that over onto the screen, and just put it there. Then I'm going to look for a border. Look for a border pattern and find something that I like here. Here is there's a border pattern right there. I'll grab that and put it on the screen. It goes with this pattern. Then I'm going to find the corner. And there's probably other ways of doing this, but let's see if I can find the one that goes with this. I'll just scroll down, use my slider bar, see if I can find the pattern that goes with that. I don't think I see it. Okay, I found a easy way to find all of these patterns. I just put in the name, Pretty Posies. Here is the corner, the border, and there is the edge to edge. So I have the border and the edge to edge. I'll get the corner. I'll just bring this onto my project. Now this is going to be a project. So now I want to get rid of all of the patterns except for the ones I'm going to use. So if I click on project, there they are. They are on my project. So I have them in the project. Now I can do whatever I want to with them. But one of the idea of this is, to me, these things are very annoying to me. See all of this stuff, and I don't want to see them, because if I put this, say, in a project, I'd see all of these along the edge of the quilt on the left, down the vertical, and on the right, down the vertical. And I don't want to do that. So, matter of fact, I think I'll just put some of these on the screen in a edge-to-edge repeat patterns. I'll click on that and get my box over here. Here's my information, repeats and sizes. Click on that. It'll give me the size of the pattern. That's okay. Okay. The rows. I can go on down and look at some things. Maybe I'll just collapse this one. Okay. Total size, I can put in what the total size of this is going to be right here. If I want, well, let's see, I'll just go up here to repeats and rows. Maybe I want to be 5 repeats and rows. I had to click over here to get all that cleared out of there. Okay, so don't worry about that. Put in some rows. Now I'm going to get rid of all this stuff and expand this so we can see what it all looks like. Now here's what I'm talking about. All of this stuff right here is on the, I had the wrong pattern selected. And let's do this again. Okay, I'll just put this on the screen so you can see what we've got. I don't like having all of this down along the side like this. So I'm going to go back. This is a little bit, difficult to learn to get around in. I'll just select all of this, delete it, and go and put each one of these on this screen again. Okay, I want to get rid of these things. Just select one of them, go down like it is in the other program to options. I can turn these off. It says right here, it says show none. Okay, that turns off everything except that, and that's probably a maybe a no-so. I'm not sure what it is. I'll try turning it off though. Oh, that got it. Designer nodes. Okay, now the only thing I want to see is start and end. So I'll go turn on start and end. So this shows everything here. See, it shows start here, and this is the next one. Start, next, end. That's all I want to see when I set up a project. As you can see, I have some difficulty getting around in this, and I think everybody will for a while. I'm not going to edit out all of the stuff that was in there previously, but I have the edge-to-edge pattern selected, and if I go to the repeat patterns edge-to-edge mode, it's going to give me all of this. It says click on a point using the head or mouse. Click a point anywhere. Just click a point, and that shows that on the screen. Now, here's where I can go and properly put in all of these settings that I want. Set the total. Here I can put in the total width of 60 and the total height of 60. You see it put those on the screen to fill that in, 60 inches wide. Then put in total height here, 60. Okay, I need to do some vertical spacing, so I'm going to collapse this. Now I have my vertical spacing right here, my spacing, and get rid of some of this stuff so I can see my spacing. I'll try -1 or -0.5. and see how that works. It looks pretty good. I could probably go -0.7. Okay, that would be close enough right there. Click OK. Now my project is set up for the edge-to-edge and repeat patterns. Okay, that's all I'm going to do for now. Hope you learned a little something, even though I had difficulty in getting everything to work the way I wanted it to.